Steering the directional growth of plants with an autonomous system is a novel and original concept that was not reported before. The key here for us is to find out what's actually feasible. Our technique is the first automated method to grow plants into desired shapes and forms using robotic nodes to detect plants with their sensors and to switch the stimuli accordingly.
This method, and the robots used here, can be employed with dynamically growing structures where feedbacks determine the development of the biohybrid system.
Maintaining the health of plants and detecting their presence at intersection points is challenging. Make sure that external light sources are not triggering phototropic responses in a failure state. Visual demonstration is necessary to show the collaboration between plants and robots over extended time periods to grow user-defined growth patterns. Julian Petzold, a grad student in our research group, will demonstrate the experiment procedure.
Before beginning an experiment, select a plant species known to display a strong positive phototropism toward ultraviolet A and blue light in the growing tips.
We chose Phaseolus vulgaris, or common beans, because they grow fast and show a strong directional growth towards blue light.
Compose each robot around a single board wireless local area network-enabled computer, and interface the computer to sensors and actuators via a custom-printed circuit board. Include one infrared proximity sensor per direction being tested for approach.